retargeting is not as it used to be. Hi, my name is Regitze from Greatest Marketing Agency. If you like content like this around Facebook, Instagram advertising, please give me a like and subscribe. But let's jump into it and stay until the end. I have some free I want to give you. But let's jump into it. Yeah, Facebook ad retargeting is not as it used to be because after the iOS update a few years ago, Apple or people with iOS devices, they got the opportunity to opt out of tracking. So the people with iOS devices is people with Apple devices or phones or computers. So they got this option that they could say no to for us to leave a cookie on their devices to see what they were doing once they went off the Facebook or Instagram platforms. So when they went to our website, if they were adding to cart or purchasing, we can of course see the purchases on the store itself, but they couldn't see if they were adding to cart maybe, or sometimes we could, but it was a lot less reliable. But we can still see everything. Everybody is still being tracked what they're doing on the Facebook platform and Instagram platform. So people who interact with our post or ads, like or comment on the post or ads or follow us, those things are still being tracked 100%. So therefore we can retarget those people. And retargeting is simply to send out ads to people who took some kind of actions, who know about our business or brand. So people who like a comment on the post or went to the website and took some kind of action maybe, or just looked around even. We can retarget those with the special ads. So the best options now is to use in-app audiences. Like I said, it's people who follow you on Facebook or Instagram, or liked or commented on your post or ads. Comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe. And the free thing I want to give you is a free ebook. What is it called? It's Mastering Social Media Marketing for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Facebook Advertising for Coaches, Consultants, Entrepreneurs. Link in the description. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook, Instagram advertising for coaches and consultants. So you can book a free call with me or my team. There's a link in the description, completely non-committal. So take care, bye.